Looking for the best toiletry bags for men and women? In today's video, we're showcasing top-rated travel organizers designed to keep your essentials neat, accessible, and easy to pack. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, business trip, or just heading to the gym, these toiletry bags offer durability, smart storage, and travel-friendly features you can rely on. From convenient hanging designs and TSA-approved pouches to spacious leather kits and water-resistant organizers, there's something here for every traveler. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Gadget Harvest and hit the notification bell so you never miss honest travel gear reviews and expert travel tips. Also, check the description below for the latest prices and exclusive deals to help you travel smarter and save more. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BagSmart Dop Kit Black. The BagSmart Dop Kit is perfect for keeping your travel essentials organized and easy to find. Its compact design fits neatly into backpacks, suitcases, or gym bags. Water-resistant material protects your toiletries from spills and moisture, ensuring safe storage on the go. Multiple compartments make it easy to store shaving tools, toothbrushes, and other small items without clutter. The durable build guarantees long-term use, and the sleek black finish adds a modern, clean look. Lightweight and practical, this bag is ideal for men who want a simple, reliable, and stylish toiletry solution for everyday use or travel. Number 2. BagSmart Hanging Toiletry Bag Black. The BagSmart Hanging Toiletry Bag is designed for easy travel organization. It includes a sturdy hanging hook so you can place it in bathrooms or closets, saving counter space. Water-resistant fabric keeps items safe from accidental spills and moisture. Multiple compartments accommodate full-size containers and smaller accessories, making packing effortless. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry without adding bulk. The sleek black design is modern and versatile, perfect for men or women who want functionality and style. This hanging bag ensures quick access to your essentials while keeping everything neatly organized, making travel stress-free and efficient. Number 3. BagSmart Canvas Toiletry Bag Gray. The BagSmart Canvas Toiletry Bag combines durability and style for organized travel. Made from strong canvas, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to last for years. Water-resistant material protects your toiletries from minor spills and moisture. Its medium size fits easily into luggage without taking too much space. Multiple compartments help organize shaving tools, grooming essentials, and personal care items neatly. Smooth zippers allow easy access, while the gray color gives a modern, clean look. Perfect for men who travel frequently, this bag keeps essentials in place and ensures packing and unpacking is quick, simple, and stress-free every trip. Number 4. AvaJex Hanging Toiletry Bag Large. The AvaJex Hanging Toiletry Bag is a spacious, versatile organizer with 19 compartments to keep all your toiletries neatly arranged. Its waterproof material protects belongings from spills and moisture, while a strong metal swivel hook allows convenient hanging anywhere. Despite its large capacity, the design is compact enough to fit in luggage or bathroom shelves. Sturdy zippers open and close smoothly, adding reliability to daily use. Suitable for both men and women, it accommodates all essential travel items comfortably. Practical, efficient, and thoughtfully designed, this bag makes packing and organizing stress-free, helping travelers keep everything visible, accessible, and protected. Number 5. HOTOR Hanging Toiletry Bag Black. The HOTOR Hanging Toiletry Bag is a versatile organizer suitable for both men and women. Its large main compartment holds all travel essentials without feeling bulky. The waterproof material protects belongings from spills, splashes, or wet conditions. A built-in hanging hook provides easy access in bathrooms or small spaces, saving counter space. Medium size fits perfectly in backpacks, suitcases, or carry-ons. Durable construction and smooth zippers ensure long-lasting use. The classic black design is sleek and simple, making it suitable for any traveler. This bag keeps items organized, easy to find, and protected, making packing and travel worry-free every time. Number 6. BagSmart TSA Toiletry Bag Black. The BagSmart TSA Toiletry Bag is perfect for organized travel and daily use. Its hanging feature keeps your items accessible, while multiple compartments hold full-size toiletries neatly. The transparent TSA-approved pouch simplifies airport security, letting you pass through quickly without stress. Water-resistant material protects against spills and keeps your cosmetics safe. Medium size fits luggage comfortably without being bulky, while the sleek black finish looks stylish. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Quick packing and unpacking make travel effortless. This bag is ideal for travelers who want convenience, security, and organized storage in one reliable toiletry organizer. Number 7. Elviro's Hanging Toiletry Bag Black. The Elviro's Hanging Toiletry Bag is lightweight, compact, and ideal for both men and women. Its hanging hook keeps items visible and easy to reach, saving bathroom space. A dedicated compartment organizes shaving tools separately from makeup and small accessories. Lightweight yet durable, it fits neatly into any luggage without adding bulk. The simple black design is modern and practical, making packing and unpacking stress-free. Users appreciate how it keeps essentials tidy and easy to find. Perfect for short trips or daily use, this bag combines functionality and style, making it a versatile travel companion for all personal care needs. Number 8. Aran Leather Toiletry Bag Dark Brown. The Aran Leather Toiletry Bag is a compact, stylish solution for grooming essentials. Crafted from high-quality dark brown leather, it feels sturdy and luxurious. The waterproof lining protects items from spills and moisture, keeping everything safe. Smooth zippers allow easy access, while the wide opening ensures quick visibility of your grooming tools. Its compact size fits perfectly into luggage or backpacks. Durable and classic in design, this bag combines elegance with everyday practicality. Ideal for men who travel frequently, it keeps all toiletries organized and secure. A strong, reliable, and stylish grooming kit for trips or daily use. Number 9. Wand Hanging Toiletry Bag Green. The Wand Hanging Toiletry Bag offers roomy storage for all travel essentials. Its water-resistant fabric protects items from spills and moisture, keeping everything dry and safe. A hanging hook allows easy placement in small bathrooms, saving counter space. Sturdy zippers and durable construction ensure long-lasting use. The bright green color adds a fresh, stylish touch, while the compact yet spacious design fits easily into luggage or backpacks. Both men and women find it practical for short or long trips. Lightweight and easy to carry, this bag keeps all toiletries organized, making packing and unpacking smooth and hassle-free for every journey. Number 10. Relavel Hanging Toiletry Bag Black. The Relavel Hanging Toiletry Bag is spacious, durable, and practical for both men and women. Its waterproof material protects toiletries and makeup from spills, keeping everything safe and clean. Hanging design saves counter space and keeps items within easy reach. Large size accommodates all essentials comfortably without appearing bulky. Multiple compartments organize shaving tools, cosmetics, and bathroom items neatly. Smooth zippers ensure effortless access, while sturdy construction lasts through frequent travel. The sleek black color is stylish and versatile. Perfect for trips of any length, this bag makes travel organized, stress-free, and efficient while keeping all your essentials close at hand. Number 11. Venture Forth Hanging Toiletry Bag Dark Green. The Venture Forth Hanging Toiletry Bag is large and highly organized with 18 compartments. A removable TSA pouch makes airport security fast and stress-free. Hanging design saves counter space, ideal for small bathrooms. Durable material feels sturdy and reliable, while the dark green color looks stylish and calm. It accommodates toiletries, makeup, and shaving kits comfortably without feeling bulky. Both men and women appreciate its practicality and ease of use. Strong zippers and quality stitching ensure long-lasting travel use. Perfect for keeping everything visible, accessible, and tidy, this bag makes packing and traveling organized and simple every trip. Number 12. Wand Hanging Toiletry Bag Denim Gray. The Wand Hanging Toiletry Bag in denim gray is compact, lightweight, and water-resistant, perfect for men who travel frequently. Hanging hook allows easy access in bathrooms or hotel rooms, saving counter space. Multiple compartments keep toiletries organized, and the water-resistant fabric protects against spills. Its small size fits neatly into luggage or backpacks, making packing quick and stress-free. Smooth zippers and durable construction ensure long-lasting use. The modern denim gray color looks stylish while hiding dirt well. This bag is practical, lightweight, and reliable, keeping all your essentials neatly in place for hassle-free travel every time. Number 13. BagSmart Large Toiletry Bag, Black. The BagSmart Large Toiletry Bag for men is spacious and well-organized. Water-resistant material protects items from spills and moisture, while multiple compartments keep everything tidy. Smooth zippers make opening and closing effortless, compact enough to fit luggage comfortably, yet large enough to hold all your grooming essentials. Sleek black color gives it a modern, classic look. Lightweight but sturdy, this bag ensures easy packing and unpacking, making travel more relaxed. Ideal for men who need a reliable, durable, and practical organizer. Keeps toiletries secure, organized, and accessible for trips, vacations, or daily use without hassle or clutter. Number 14. Elviros PU Leather Toiletry Bag, Brown. The Elviros PU Leather Toiletry Bag is spacious, stylish, and travel-ready. Its water-resistant material keeps toiletries dry and protected, while multiple compartments organize shaving tools and bathroom essentials neatly. Smooth zippers make access simple, and its large size fits comfortably in luggage. PU leather gives a classy, durable, and professional look. Lightweight yet sturdy, this bag is easy to carry while maintaining a refined style. Ideal for men who want both functionality and elegance, it keeps grooming items organized and safe during trips. A practical, stylish travel accessory that simplifies packing and makes every journey stress-free. Number 15. BagSmart Wide Open Travel Toiletry Bag, Black. The BagSmart Wide Open Travel Toiletry Bag is soft, lightweight, and perfect for women on the go. Its wide-open design makes finding items quick and effortless. Puffy material protects delicate cosmetics and toiletries during travel. A sturdy handle allows easy carrying and grabs on the move. Spacious compartments keep all accessories neatly organized without clutter. Compact yet roomy, it fits easily in suitcases or backpacks. Durable and thoughtfully designed, the black finish looks clean and classic. Perfect for organizing makeup, toiletries, and personal items, this bag simplifies travel routines, keeps everything accessible, and ensures a stress-free packing experience every trip. Number 16. Toiletry Leather Hanging Toiletry Bag, Brown. The Toiletry Leather Hanging Toiletry Bag is large, soft, and smooth to touch. Its water-resistant material keeps toiletries safe from spills. A transparent phone pocket lets you see and use your device without removing it. Hanging design saves counter space, perfect for travel, college dorms, or everyday use. Spacious compartments hold all essentials neatly, while the durable leather feels sturdy and stylish. Easy to carry for both men and women, this bag simplifies packing and unpacking. It's practical, organized, and visually appealing, making travel and daily routines more convenient and stress-free every time. Number 17. Zemo Double-Sided Toiletry Bag, Black. The Zemo Travel Toiletry Bag for men opens fully on both sides, keeping all bathroom essentials organized. Water-resistant material protects against spills, while medium size fits luggage comfortably. Multiple compartments make storing shower and hygiene accessories simple and stress-free. Its sleek black design looks clean and professional. Sturdy zippers and durable fabric ensure long-lasting use. Travelers appreciate the easy access to items without wasting time searching. Lightweight yet reliable, this DOP kit is perfect for short trips, gym visits, or daily use. Organize toiletries efficiently and carry them comfortably anywhere with this versatile black bag. Number 18. Boreas Extra Large PU Leather Toiletry Bag, Black. The Boreas Extra Large Toiletry Bag is spacious, durable, and practical for men. Water-resistant PU leather keeps grooming tools and toiletries dry and protected. Multiple compartments keep everything organized and easy to find. Sturdy zippers make packing and unpacking effortless. Compact yet roomy, it fits luggage or bathroom shelves comfortably. Black color gives a classic, sleek look. Many users enjoy its durability and ease of cleaning. Ideal for both short trips and long journeys, this bag holds all essentials neatly. Strong construction, reliable materials, and practical design make it a perfect travel companion for daily or vacation use. Number 19. Nichelle Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag, Black. The Nichelle Travel Toiletry Bag is lightweight, portable, and ideal for women on the go. Hanging design saves counter space and keeps all travel-sized bottles and brushes within easy reach. Medium size fits well in suitcases without taking up too much space. Durable material protects cosmetics and personal care items during trips. Stylish black color matches any luggage and hides dirt. Smooth zippers and solid construction ensure reliability. Organize shampoos, conditioners, brushes, and makeup neatly. Packing and unpacking becomes effortless and stress-free. A practical, lightweight, and compact option for travelers who want convenience and organization in one bag. Number 20. Thule Subterrane 2 Toiletry Bag Dark Slate. The Thule Subterrane 2 Toiletry Bag is compact, sturdy, and perfect for travel. Multiple compartments keep toiletries organized and easy to find. Water-resistant fabric protects items from spills. Its soft yet durable material feels comfortable to carry. Smooth zippers glide easily, adding convenience. The dark slate color looks clean and stylish, fits well in backpacks or carry-on luggage without taking too much space. Ideal for travelers who want a reliable and simple solution for toiletries. Lightweight, practical, and easy to maintain, this bag ensures packing is quick, stress-free, and keeps your items neat and protected on every trip. Thanks for watching today's top travel picks from Travel Gear Hub. If you love discovering smart travel gear that makes your trips easier and more enjoyable, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out on the best travel deals. Got a question or want to see a specific travel product reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, stay inspired, and enjoy every journey.